you start a woodworking workshop, the first essential piece of furniture isn't a big machine, it's the workbench. A workbench is the foundation of every cut, every joint, and every finished piece. It's where precision meets hands, and creativity meets reality. Right now, my basement shop is a temporary rental with no direct backyard access. Everything has to go up a flight of stairs. So every design I make from here on out follows one core principle: modular, removable, and easy to move. You won't see heavy table saws in my videos, just smart, flexible solutions and the heart of any workshop, a great workbench. A plywood workbench has become my go-to solution, sturdy yet breakable down into manageable parts, perfect for tight spaces and a nomadic workshop life. Someday, I hope to build or own a heavy solid wood workbench, the kind that stays put and accumulates history under your hands. This bench isn't just furniture, it's the starting point of ideas, the witness of progress, and the stage for every project.